way I could figure to measure the length of this stud. Set one up. Make it even. And then minus an inch and a half. That'll work. Well, that's basically done. One gable end wall complete, with the exception of a couple stickers to go here and down below the window, just to make it so the siding has something to attach to. Kept overthinking a lot of things and missing one major thing. This board right here, you'll notice, is a bit longer than the last one I had in there. 10.5 inches longer, I believe. If I wanted a true 12-12 roof pitch with 45-degree angles everywhere, the peak of the roof has to be taller than half the distance of the width of the house, because the rafters don't stop at the very corner of the house. There's 7.5 inches that continues on past. So it has to be not just 7.5 inches, but the diagonal of that much higher, which I believe is 10.5 inches. So we recut this board, recut these boards. It threw these end pieces off. We had to redo those. And that's about it. And then we put all the pieces into the walls. So one gable end wall is done. I'll tilt it up tomorrow after I put these couple pieces in here, and we'll get to work on the other side. The other side should go a lot faster. I know the measurements. Actually, I might not tilt this up until I build that other one over there. Everything is identical. This gable end wall is identical over there. It's got the same window, the same bedroom, everything. So I'll probably wait to tilt this up until after I get that one built, so I can pull measurements off this as far as how tall this board is, and we'll go from there. But once I got away from overthinking some stuff, and my wife come out and did some calculations for me on this, it all went together pretty smooth after that. It wasn't too hard. All the 45s meshed right up. So big sigh of relief. One side's done, and the other side should go faster. Cross my fingers. Until next time, guys, go make something.